Hello everyone, this is Jose Garcia and today I wanted to demonstrate a very simple but perhaps useful tool to use. It is called dictation and the website is dictation.io. When you first go into that website, you will be brought to a page that gives you two options. It gives you one for dictation and one for commands. So you click on launch dictation, it takes you to this page, and it's a very easy tool. Basically what it does is it records what you are saying and it transcribes it into text. This can be very useful if you're trying to create the transcript for a video that has already been recorded without being scripted. This could be a very useful tool, although YouTube already has a very useful one, but this is just an alternative option. So basically, you just hit start, and as soon as you begin speaking, it'll start picking up on your words. One thing I want to notice is that sometimes the grammar isn't perfect, so you have to tell it to put in a comma or a period or an exclamation mark. But it's not a perfect tool, so I'd recommend that you go back through and read what it's written out and just correct some of those minor mistakes that it has. You can copy and paste or save your recordings, email them directly from this site. You can even print them if you want. So I just wanted to share this tool that might come in handy for folks when they are trying to transcribe audio or video. Thank you.